guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to crochet this very simple and easy stitch. Okay, so I'm not going to take this long, okay, as you can see. Okay, so this is the front, or either way is okay, but this is in the other side. But I suppose you will like this one, as this has kind of the edges. Okay, so let's get started. Hello guys, so today's tutorial I will be using my 4mm hook and my acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we're going to make a slip knot, and we are going to make a chain multiple of 4. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so do the chain and I'll come back when I get my chain. Okay, so I have my 24. Okay, so from here I'm going to chain 3. Okay, so 24 plus 3, and from here I'm going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Okay, and across the row. Okay, so we're just going to make a single crochet. Okay, going to the end, and I'll come back and show you what you guys. So I got my single crochet row. Okay, so from here chain 1 and then turn our work into the first chain. Okay, we're going to single crochet, and 1 2 3 4, chain 4. Okay, and from here we're going to wrap twice, and we are working into the back loop only. Okay, so back loop, and we are going to do unfinished double crochet in the next chain, unfinished double crochet into the next, unfinished double crochet, and into the fourth one. Okay, and finish. And then after that we're going to pull through all 4 loops. Okay, and pull through all 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so from here we're going to work in this side. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4, and pull through all the loops and finish, and chain 1. Okay, so now we are going to continue into the next. Okay, so wrap twice, don't forget. Okay, and work 1/2 unfinished double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we get that, and then pull through all 4. Okay, and pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, and from here we're going to work on the top. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, pull through all the loops on your hook. Okay, and finish, and chain 1. Because as you can see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we're going to continue that. Okay, wrap twice, don't forget, and we're going to work on the next. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so from here pull through all 4, okay, and pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, so from here we're going to work 1, 2, 3, and 4, and pull through all the loops and chain 1. Okay, so you have to complete and then chain 1. So wrap twice. Okay, and then we will be working again 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, pull through all 4 and 2 and 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through all loops on your hook, finish, and chain 1. Okay, so guys, continue doing that. Okay, so continue doing that and I'll meet you up when I get to the end. Okay guys, so we are here in the end. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just wrap 3 times, okay, and insert into the last stitch and just complete your treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, so into the last one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so from here chain 1, okay, and into the first, okay, we are going to single crochet and we are going to do in the back loop only, we're going to do our single crochet. 1, 2. So in each single crochet of we did and the previous row, we are going to put single crochet in the back loop only. Okay, so just continue doing that until you get to the end, and I'll meet you back up when I'm finished. Okay, so that is how it looks like at the moment. Okay, so only the back loop only. Okay guys, so in the last stitch here, or our chain, I just put 1 in there and then chain 1, and we're going to turn our work, and then in the first chain we're going to single crochet and then chain 4 and 4. Okay, so from here wrap twice and we will be doing the same thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so from here we're going to pull through all 4 and pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, so we have done that. Then from here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then pull out all the loops in your hook, and 2. Okay, so wrap twice, continue, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, yarn over, pull through all 4, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over, pull through all the loops, 1 and 2. Okay, so continue that, guys, and for the rest of the project is just repeat. Okay, so after you finish this, a rows of single crochet the back loop only, work on the back loop only, and after that you will be doing the normal one. Okay, so this one here you will be doing this. Okay, so when you finish this single crochet the back loop only, so we have this kind of showing. So the first one here showing, and then here it shows as well. Okay, so continue that, guys, and I'll come back and show you what I've done. Hello, guys. So as you can see, this is how it looks like when you finish. So because we did this single crochet in the back loop only, this is how it shows. Okay, I will show you at the back. So if you want different style, okay, so this will be the back. Okay, so it's just like the line. Okay, so but this one you have like a border. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you're new to my channel, and if you wanted to, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and so you get notified every time I post a new video. And hopefully you like this video, guys. Please like and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.